Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC TV18. It's time to talk about a corporate conversation. KPI Green Energy is on a radar. The company recently received a commissioning certificate from Gujarat Energy Development Agency for a 4.1 megawatt hybrid project in Bharuch. The management has also indicated that it is likely to consider fundraise through QIP. Just a few minutes back, the company also announced to the exchanges that they have received orders aggregating to 9.7 megawatt capacity for executing solar power project, and this will be under the captive power producer segment. To discuss more, we have with us Dr. Faruk Patel, who's the CMD of KP Group. Dr. Patel, thank you so much for joining us on CNBC TV18. Well, before I speak to you about the recent order wins that have come by, I wanted to speak to you about the fundraising plans. You did indicate QIP plans at the AGM on September 1. What is the quantum? What is the pricing? What will these funds be used for? Give us some idea.
Thank you very much and good afternoon to you all. For the QIP, we planned for the 240 megawatt DC. What we have already got the order from the GVNL. For that, we are raising we are going for the QIP. And after QIP, we will get the debt, as you know. So for 300 to 350 crore rupees altogether, we may go for the QIP.
300 to 350 crore of a QIP, right?
Right, yeah. Right.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit more about the order that you've just won, which will be executed by KPI Green Energy? The aggregate order size is 9.7 megawatts. What will be the value? Because you're planning to complete it in FY24.
Yes, that's the retail order, you can say, and that's what we got today as a CPP order. That's called a CPP order. It's about to 40 crore rupees. So that's order we are going to complete in 6 months in this year only.
So that's a 40 crore order. But sir, you were also L2 in a very large NTPC order, I believe.
That's for the KP Energy. We have already bid and we are L2, of course. Within a few days, we will declare first on the NSC and BSC. Then you all come to know that's how much big and what's the size of that order. Of course, it's a very big size in the KP Energy order. It's a lifetime KP Energy big order. Of course, from the NTPC.
Okay, so the order that you received today is in the CPP segment. Can you split it up for us? What is the order book split between CPP and IPP? Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Today we have the altogether our capacity is 732, including this 9 megawatt order. So you can say CPP. We have the 144 already we had on our hand, plus this 9. Altogether, you can say 153 order book today we have in a CPP. Of course, in a IPP, we have the 240 plus GVNL order, plus we have we have already energized in IPP 142 something. So altogether, our CPP and IPP portfolio going to be 732 megawatt by say mid of September next year.
Okay, 732 by mid of September itself. So do you think 1,000 megawatt capacity target that you had in 2025, you'll be able to achieve it before that?
Before, of course, we'll try our best to put the more goal on the in our companies rather than 1 gigawatt. We may go to the more than 1 gigawatt, and we will complete before 25th of calendar year, which is our internal goal. And company is doing very well. People are doing very well, so we are very enthusiastic. And you can say we have the real figures on the board that we can do it, and we will be do it within a stipulated time what we have given to the board and what we have given to the public.
So 732 megawatt capacity by September 2024 and 1000 megawatts before December of 2025. So ahead of the target. So once you
Yes.
achieve this 1000 megawatt capacity, 1 gigawatt, what would be the annuity income that you will generate? What could the EBITDA and the profits look like then?
See, of course, our goal is by 2027 annuity income per day 1 crore rupees. That's our goal, and we are going to achieve that goal in this 2020. By 2024 March will be 100 and say. Of course, last time it was 109, and this year, of course, we'll try more than what we have served last time. So towards that, also you can say each company got their own capacity of the PAT, and they are going to do the annuity as an annuity income. They have planned by 2027 1 crore per day
Okay.
PAT in each
Sure.
company. In each company.
Okay. You have bullish plans here, Mr. Patel, and you have seen growth over last couple of quarters as well. But one thing that is concerning the street is the promoter pledge at 26.87%. What are your plans here? When do you think you'll be able to release it? Is there a timeline set here?
Actually, that plays only for the growth of company, nothing else. And in the beginning, at the time when we were very small, at that time bank had put the condition, if we require the loan at that time, they have already put it our my as a promoter share of 51%. So because of that is there, but they have given us the promise that within a 1 year they are going to release that also, because now the ratio and the profit and the company and strongness they have seen, so we have already appealed for that, and we might get release in a year.
So we'll leave the conversation here for now. Thank you very much for joining in. That's KPI Green outlining their future plans. Get into a break. On the other side is our special